Huh. So this is... I went up watching a sponsored video by Gabby Hanna, of all people. I was like, oh man, why not? Keep saying it. Let's try it with a discount. It's the same amount as my... Oh, fancy. It's a very nice box, very heavy. I got the 16-ounce bottles. That looks so weird. Gross. This is the conditioner, apparently, which is very interesting. And let me see who's going to tell me what I picked. I'm not too worried about the colors and fragrances, but you know, signed up for once every 6 months and it. What the? Oh, stickers. I know some people who are going to love these. And then this is the shampoo. The shampoo color was non-negotiable because I got the blondening or the anti-brassiness formulation. A little bit of dust on the top. I got... Okay, so these are the pumps. Which were not 100% packed. Okay, so you... Oh, sweet. I was worried about whether or not you got one with... This is a new item add-on. This is their leave-in conditioner, which is great. I'm almost out of my stuff from Numa. So there's a pump for each of those. That's really handy. And so this is the function of Thera, which is straight, fine, dry, goals, color protect, deep condition, shine. There we go. So these are my hair goals. Color protection, soothe scalp, deep condition, shine, and reduce brassiness. So then we have the 3 pumps and their little thingies. And then yeah. I don't know why there's 2 of these. One of them contains all of the things and one of them does not. Very weird. Anyway, and then, yeah, so I got the... I haven't even smelled it. I'm hoping it's not too strong. I went with the medium strength because I didn't want it to be awful. Oh. 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 Okay. That is so minty. It's amazing. I'm going to try this at medium strength, but I have a funny feeling I'm probably going to swap this out for full strength the next time. And we'll say, like, no, okay. It's just weird that there's a lot of headroom, but I suppose that's for travel. I love the color on the shampoo, though. That is amazing. So yeah, It's cute. It was expensive. It was, well, okay. Did I get the free shipping? I don't know if I got reduced shipping to Canada. So the shipping was either reduced or free. I can't remember. This added $18. These were $42 American for the 2 bottles of the 16 ounce. So, I don't know. I mean, not really that bad. Probably very comparable to what I'm spending anyway. This is the one I don't know about. So I'll give these a try and I'll let you guys know. Alright, thanks. Bye.